Hello everyone, welcome to our micro lesson on traditional Chinese architecture. Today we are going to learn about tile work, one of the most important parts of Asian Chinese building. I will introduce its classification from five clear aspects: by material, by shape, by use, by regional style, and by craft. So first, we classify tiles according to materials. There are five kinds of materials: pottery tile, glazed tile, blue tile, stone tile, metal tile. First, gray pottery tile ends are the most oldest and most common type. From the Western Zhou dynasty to the Ming and Qing dynasties, they were always the most important and widely used tiles and glazed tile ends are made by applying colored glaze to clay blanks and firing them at high temperatures. They have many colors such as green, blue, yellow, and so on. They were only used in high-grade buildings with strict social rank. Third one, blue tile. It is generally refers to clay blue tile. It is made mainly from clay through special processing. Its color is not bright blue, but dark blue or grayish blue. The last one, mantle tile. During Song, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, some buildings use metal tiles and there are three kinds: cast iron, brass, and gold-coated tile end. Then, we classify tile by their shapes. There are four kinds of shapes of tiles: flat tiles, semi-cylindrical tile, the tail end, also called hook tile or wadang. The last one is dripping tiles. Third, we classify tile work by its use. Three kinds of use. The first is roof tile. It is used to cover roofs. It's the main and most important application of tile craftsmanship. The second, wall tile. Wall tile is used for wall decoration, commonly seen in garden buildings and antique style buildings. The last one, floor tile work. It is used to pave floors, such as courtyards and corridors. It has both practical and decorative functions. Then, we also can classify tiles by regional styles. In North China, tile works is thick and simple. It focuses on keeping warm. Tiles are thick, mainly in grayish blue. In South China, the tile works is light and delicate. It focuses on drainage and ventilation. Tiles are thin, mainly in blue tiles. And palace tile, it is gorgeous and delicate. It mostly uses glazed tiles with bright colors and complex patterns, showing royal dignity. And last one, folk tile. Folk tile works is simple and practical. It mostly uses blue or pottery tiles, focusing on function rather than decoration. Fifth, we classify tile work by construction craft. There are two kinds of. First one, ground style tile work. Ground style tile work usually use semi-cylindrical tiles to cover gaps. Material includes glazed tiles or blue tiles. It is mainly used for palaces, temples, and other large important buildings. Second one is small style tile. It does not use rigid base, it mainly uses flat tiles and sometimes semi-cylindrical tiles. It is mostly used for ordinary, non-important buildings. Okay, thank you for watching this micro lesson. Today we have learned the completed classification of traditional Chinese tile work. I hope you now understand more about the wisdom and beauty of Chinese architecture. See you next time.